How to fix Instagram Live option not showing. First of all, let's navigate and open Instagram app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, from the bottom menu, tap on your profile icon. Now from the top right, tap on the three lines and the settings and activity menu will appear on the screen. Here scroll all the way down and tap on account status. Make sure there are no violation or feature restrictions on your account because that might be limiting your ability to go live on Instagram. Now let's go back to the profile page again. From the top left, tap on the plus icon and here check if the live option is available or tap on the reel option. Now from the top right, tap on the gear icon and here you will find the live option. Tap on it to open. Make sure the save live to archive option is turned on. Also keep in mind that your account needs to meet Instagram's eligibility requirements and have 1000 followers to access the live feature. And that's it. This is how you can fix Instagram live option not showing issue. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.